Hey guys, it's Clary and today I'll be showing you 5 more nostalgic Minecraft mod packs you probably forgot about. Number 5 is Hexit. This turned Minecraft into a full RPG adventure. It was released in 2013 and it added dungeons, towers, bosses, and new dimensions like the Twilight Forest. There were mods like Battle Towers and Chocolate Quest that made exploration the core experience. Once again, it was popularized by creators like Yogcast and Skydoes Minecraft, and it remains one of the most played mod packs ever. Number 4, Blightfall. This is one of the most unique ones ever. It offered a full story-driven experience. Basically, it's set on a toxic alien planet and players have to survive, complete quests, and uncover the mystery behind a spreading purple infection. It stands out as a unique pack that actually had a story to it. Number 3, Project Ozone. This is another Skyblock style pack. However, this one focused on progression and scale. It was released in 2016 and it featured over 1,200 quests. It had powerful mods like Draconic Evolution and multiple difficulty modes. It was easy to start but incredibly deep to master. Newer versions still exist, but the original remains a nostalgic favorite for many. Number 2, Captain Sparkle's Ultra Modded Survival. This was created by Captain Sparkles himself in 2014, and this mod pack blended tech, magic, and exploration into one massive experience. It featured mods like Industrial Craft, Thermal Expansion, and Thorncraft. Its popularity skyrocketed thanks to Captain Sparkle's own series, making it one of the most recognizable and played mod packs of all time. And number 1, let's end on a high note with Steve's Galaxy. This mod pack brought space exploration to Minecraft. It was built around galactic craft and it combined technology, chemistry, and survival. Players started on a ruined Earth, gathered resources, and eventually built spacecraft to escape to other planets. It remains one of the coolest and most ambitious mod packs ever created. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro.